Hi, it's a great day in Coto the Caza, and today we have this wonderful ornamental plant. It comes to us from a very small region of southwest Australia. It is the kangaroo paw, Anigozanthos flavidus. Now there's a lot of different varieties and cultivars of this plant, so it's always hard to know which one you're looking at. But the common name is the tall, yellow, or evergreen kangaroo paw. Now they usually come in red, green, and yellow, but the different cultivars which are coming out are now blue, purple, white, and even several other colors. So the plant has very dense and healthy root structures which consist of rhizomes which spread horizontally underground and resprout to create new plants. It's especially fire resistant, so if the whole plant is destroyed during a fire, the roots simply regenerate or rejuvenate to form new plants. The base of the plant has a circular arrangement of these leaves. Now the circular arrangement is called a rosette that sits very close to the soil. And the leaves here, they're a medium green color. They're slender, they're arching, and they're sort of what's called strap shaped. The stems of this plant are very cool. You get about 10 different stems per plant. They're very green and lush at the bottom, a little bit hairy or fuzzy. And as you work yourself up the stalk, they start to turn a purplish color, and the purple then blends into the very pretty flowers. Now each plant can have up to 350 different flowers on the 10 different flower stalks. The flowers bloom from about May through September in the northern hemisphere. The clusters of flowers appear at the end of leafless stalks. The tubular shapes with the pointed lobes at the end of these flowers, they're great for attracting hummingbirds and also bees. Now each flower is curved at the tip here with 6 little claws, and those claws resemble kangaroo paws. So let's put them side by side and see if we could see the difference between our kangaroo paw plant and our kangaroo paw the animal. So each individual flower, it opens up showing this receptacle for bees, also hummingbirds, and you see it's got 6 little stamens sticking out holding the pollen that will help be spread to the other flowers and help propagate this plant. Here are the reddish or the coral looking flowers, rather identical in shape of the yellow, just a very different pretty color. If you're planning on growing this plant yourself, there's a couple things to remember. First of all, they're not very good at cold temperatures or below freezing temperatures, so if you live in colder areas, it's best to bring them in during winter or grow them in a greenhouse. Second, they are able to tolerate a large range of soils. They love direct sunshine and open areas. You have to provide them with adequate drainage. Do not over-fertilize them and keep the phosphorus on the low side. You can propagate them by seeds or through the rhizome cuttings in the roots. And if you get the right hybrid, these guys can live up to 30 years in your garden. So I hope you enjoyed our beautiful kangaroo paw, and please have a great day. Bye-bye.